China has just launched its newest and most impressive warship yet, the Type 076 amphibious assault ship, named Sichuan. This massive vessel marks a major leap in the country's naval power. On December 27th, the Sichuan was revealed to the world at the Hudong-Zhonghua Shipyard in Shanghai. It's the largest ship of its kind, and it's been in the making since October 2023. The ship is named after Sichuan province, a fitting name for such a powerful addition to China's fleet. The launch was a grand event, attended by top military officials, government leaders, and the hardworking crew who built the ship. Everyone was there to witness the birth of a new symbol of China's growing naval strength. But what makes the Sichuan so special? For starters, it's packed with cutting-edge technology. The ship has two island structures, which help manage flight operations more efficiently. It also features electromagnetic catapults, an advanced system that allows the ship to launch planes and helicopters quickly and smoothly. This isn't just any ship. The Sichuan is designed to carry a mix of aircraft, helicopters, and amphibious equipment. It's a key player in China's maritime defense strategy, and it's not just about manned aircraft. This ship is also equipped to handle advanced drones, like the GJ-11 Sharp Sword, which can perform strike and surveillance missions. As the Sichuan prepares for its next phase, sea trials and fine-tuning, China's navy is already looking stronger. This new ship will soon join other powerful vessels in the fleet, like the Type 075 amphibious assault ships Hainan, Guangxi, and Anhui. The Sichuan represents more than just a new ship. It's a symbol of China's ambition to grow its naval power. With its advanced technology and impressive capabilities, the Sichuan is set to play a crucial role in future naval operations, not just in the South China Sea, but far beyond. So what's your thoughts? Tell us in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.